hearts echo with joy, nostalgia entwined. In the gleam of Christmas, love's brilliance shines. A celestial canvas, tales of old retold. A rhythmic story of love, more precious than gold. Echoing through carols, the magic of December. Traces of faith, the soul's glowing ember. Chords of compassion, melodies of praise. Harmonies etched in each warm embrace. Noel, Noel, spirits dance with thee. Kinship's drumbeat banishes all decree. In this spiritual concert we find our worth. Noel's melody serenades the earth. With reverence we attune to the sacred sound. This Bethlehem concerto, where hope is found. Resonating love and joy, music's pure light. Spreading the essence of Christmas night. Noel, Noel, snowflakes in flight. Father Christmas in the soft moonlight. From afar we journey, guided by his star. To Bethlehem's concerto, no path too far. The music swells, a crescendo of peace. As we find solace, all worries cease. Adorned in joy, love's gentle guise. Reflecting the sparkle in children's eyes. With love, the silent night is redeemed. In the glow of the moonlight, Bethlehem dreamed of all the pilgrims seeking its praise. Hearts humming in the sacred space. Noel, Noel, choir voices rise across the starlit midnight skies. Boundless love under the heavenly dome. In this Yuletide symphony we find home. The chords of Christmas stir memories old. A cappella whispers stories untold. Every note a prayer breathed into life. In the symphony of Christmas we find our